Alright, welcome back to another video. It is currently like 6 a.m. and we are headed to a big car meet in the Bay Area. I'm not taking the 36 even though it is 36 day. So the 36 is on jack stands. Surprise, surprise, this car is still on jack stands. I'm just waiting on some parts, but hopefully soon enough I'll be able to put this car on the ground and we'll finally be able to drive it again. I think we're a few months out from that still, but yeah, slow but steady, and I can't wait to see when I'm done with it. We are taking the E92. Still drawing dicks on cars. Now if you are curious on what's going on with the car specifically, right now I'm waiting on the 𝙠𝙚 short throw and then a new CSB and flex disc. So once the 𝙠𝙚 is in there and I can dial in that shift linkage, hopefully finally for the last time, be able to put the drive shaft back in and put all the necessary covers and crap. And then I am going to work up here. I'm gonna order, still haven't ordered them, I'm gonna order some headers. Probably, I found a few sets that are the 3-bolt flange style, so they'll just bolt up to the stock mid pipe, because I would actually like to keep my mid pipe, especially in California with our emissions. Anyways, that's not what today's about. Just had to shine some light on this car because it is March 6th, so I should be taking this car today, but under circumstances, this is not what we're driving. Alright, so we're actually going to the 𝙡𝙤𝙠𝙚 M3 meet. I've never been to one of his car meets before. I haven't taken this car to a meet like this where it's more BMW specific. I've taken the E36 to a CCA meet, which was really fun, but this will be a more specific BMW meet, and it's pretty far. I actually convinced my dad to go, so hopefully he'll be able to get some footage for me. Anyways, let's get the fuck out of here because I am running late per usual. I also have to mention, the other day I was doing some donuts after work, and I got so scared because immediately after I heard a loud whining, almost like my car had a massive blower on it. Immediately I thought it was power steering, but I didn't have any power steering fluid, so I just was doing a bunch of research until the next morning. I woke up, filled it up with power steering, and seemingly that whine has gone away. But I will probably be not beating on the car too hard today just because we will be pretty far, and I don't want to blow the power steering pump up or something weird to happen and make a bunch of weird whining noises. So I'm going to be nice to the car today, and probably shouldn't be doing donuts on Toyo proxies either. So yeah. Any E9X guys, are you mad about this one? You might be mad, but we keep it under 3K. Here at the E92, we got all the cars, everybody made it here safely. No crazy roll racing on the way here or anything. Got an E60, looks awesome. I love this color. It's like that bluish tint to it. Awesome. There's a bunch of cars here, 135, another E92. Oh, this is Gabe's car. Gabe on the BBS. E46. Check out this spec, looks pretty gnarly, and it's on some nice wheels, but look at the, I can't even see the interior on camera, but my god, this thing's set up pretty proper for like a brand new car. It's pretty cool to see something dialed in this fast. No, this is a cool color. This is a cool car, to be honest. Oh yeah. That thing is sick. No, that's a gangster spec for sure.
I wish mine had it, but... What you think of this color? Yeah.
Oh, that color's crazy.
That's Dravic Gray.
That's what you're talking about? Dravic Gray?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
This was the one that, this is the same color as the M8 that was at the dealership.
LSP F80, that's cool too. Although on camera it looks like baby blue, but yeah.
Yeah, it looks sick.
I never knew it was metallic until I saw it in person.
It looks really, I didn't either actually, I just noticed that. Dude, the amount of cars here is nuts. Oh, that is gangster. That is so cool. The TEs and the red DCT, that is just fucking badass. This thing is so proper. Great color, the tires sweet. Nice cool setup. This is a nice car. And the color on this E46, I don't know what it is, but it looks crazy. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but that is an insane color. I don't know what it is. It's an awesome color though. Chrome TEs. This is the best polish. I don't even think they come like this. I think you have to get them painted. But this is my favorite finish on the TEs. This is pretty nuts. Insane. I guess this is, I think this is Le Mans blue. That is an awesome finish for those wheels. I absolutely love the chrome TEs, or the brush TEs I should say, but this is awesome. The amount of E9X M3s here is pretty crazy, but there's a lot of variation. There's 2 series, there's F80s, there's new G80s, lots of cool stuff.
I think the lights are original too.
Yeah, it's a cool car. I really like these. I don't get the hate on them at all. And I like the roof line too. That little part of the roof, I love that. The grill thing is like still not growing on me. I like the way it flows with the hood. You do like the grill?
Yeah, I do.
24, you can get a 34 legally. The Meisters are so cool. I love the hips on this car though. It's like so wide. With the proper tire, like that stance is so cool. Nice M2. I love this color on the M2. It's probably, if I had an M2, it'd probably be the color I'd choose. Or that mineral white or gray or whatever it is. E46 M3. This is a cool interior too. Color is awesome. I just love red interior. Everybody is on TEs. It's pretty crazy. Oh, no. Listen to that whine. Oh my god. That car is supercharged. Fitment is gangster. That fitment's so good. If I could daily a car like that with that fitment, I totally would. Yeah, exactly.
I don't know what that is. I think it's metal. I'm not sure. No. What?
I believe this is the cleanest Daytona in the Bay Area, for sure. Knocks my Daytona out of the water. Really cool. The paint is very nice. I'm not a fan of arcades, but everything else about the car is really awesome. The LTW is proper. It's a really nice car, and the plate's pretty funny. So I guess we're going on the cruise, but I'm not sure. We haven't been here for that long, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna start the car just in case we decide to take off. Casual GTR behind. E92 is warming up. I think everybody's gonna take off, but before we do, yeah, people are taking off. E92 behind us. Bunch of cars. We're supposed to take off here in a second. Finally, after a 2-hour drive home, I am back. The car did very, very well. I didn't get to do the whole cruise because it was headed south and I live north, so it wouldn't have made sense to do that whole cruise and then drive 4 hours home. The meet itself was great. It was a little too short, didn't get enough time to actually cover everything there, but I'm sure you got the gist. It was a great turnout. There's a lot of cars. I feel it was a little unorganized, but with that many cars, it's pretty hard to get everybody organized, and you know, it's just a lot of cars to drive all at once. So I'm glad I got the little group we got going with the E92s or the E9X M3s. I would say the better part of like the E9X community for NorCal was there, so that was pretty cool. Lots of people that I hadn't known or met, I met today, which was awesome. So shout out to everybody that I met. Super fun event. I really want to do it again. Hopefully we can get to another one of those at some point. As far as the E92, I absolutely love the car. It did great, and I have some big news coming up for just in general, but it involves getting rid of the E92. Not 100% sure, but I am gonna take a chance on something, so that car might be going up for sale soon, so just keep an eye out. I'm gonna try and pump out some more E92 content before I get rid of it. But I absolutely love that car, I really do. And it's gonna be a bummer to get rid of it, but better things in the future for sure. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the recent support on the channel. We're at 1.2K subscribers at this point, almost. So I know we're well on our way to 2K. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing, all that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.